Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video here I'm going to show you how to transfer your funds or assets from Gate.io to KuCoin. Alright, super easy. Just head to wallet and withdraw, and now head over to coin and select the coin that you want to transfer to KuCoin. If you don't see in here, just type in the name of it. Let's do an example using USDT and select it. Now scroll down and choose the chain or the network that you're willing to use and do the transaction on. So you need to make sure to select the same network on both platforms, on Gate.io as well as on KuCoin. Alright, so which network or chain that we should be using. So if we check here, if we click on this one here, you'll see the fees are 40 USDT. Alright, and Ethereum being the special coin that it is with higher gas fees, as you can see, and Binance Smart Chain as well. As you can see, they are all with these high fees, but if we selected Tron, you can see it's 0 USDT, which is free and no fees. Now after we selected Tron or TRC20, we need to go to KuCoin and check if it's available to deposit on KuCoin using TRC20. Alright, go to assets and deposit and withdraw. So here you can find all the coins that you can deposit in here. Type in the name that you want of the coin that you want to deposit, and here it is appeared in here. Then go to deposit, and here is the coin already we've selected it on the previous step, and this is the accounts that are available on KuCoin. So this one here doesn't really matter, because whichever you select, at the end you can always go to asset overview and transfer the assets that you've got across all these platforms instantly with 0 fees. But let's select trading account, because that's the account that we can trade and buy and sell other cryptocurrencies on the market. Alright, but if you end up using any of the other ones, it's okay. You can always go to assets and transfer them across the other platform. Alright, so now that we've selected trading account, here we can see the networks that are available on KuCoin. Alright, as you can see, there is ERC20, which is Ethereum, and this is TRC20, which is the one that we've just selected in here, as you can see. Alright, so you can select it and it will give you the address that we will be using to transfer our asset from Gate.io to here. Alright, before I forget, I will mention that if you are trying to transfer any other crypto other than USDT, or any type of crypto that you want to transfer from Gate.io to KuCoin, and you have found other networks that aren't in here, for example some other network that you've seen in here that isn't appearing here, let's say XLM or something like that, and you found that XLM has lower fees, of course, and it's available on both platforms, get to select that one. Alright, because in the end you need to select the same network on both platforms, and it should be available on both platforms that they are providing the same network, and you should be using it, as well as using the one with the lowest fees. Alright, because it's not always TRC20 network is the one with the lowest fees. Sometimes you can find other networks with lower fees than TRC20. Alright, if you are using another crypto that would be cheaper to use on other network than these are listed in here, or this one here. Okay, so just keep that on mind, and we've copied the address and head back to here and paste it in here. Alright, now put in a name, any word that you want, because this one here gets saved on the address book, just in case if you want to do another transfer and you want to transfer to the same address. But if you don't want to do that and you don't want to be confused after you've done the transaction and you transferred your crypto, just head back to here and delete it. It will be in here, and click to delete this address here. Alright, so now put in the amount that you want to withdraw of USDT, and the minimum is 50 USDT, so you need to have greater than 50 USDT to do this transaction. and put it in here, and then here this here is dependent on the securities options that you have activated on your account. In my case, I have 3 options and I should be using them all. Alright, you have to put in the font password as well as getting an email code by clicking on here and go to your email and get that code and put it in here, as well as Google Authenticator. Alright, so fill in all these options depending of course on the options that you have activated on your account, and then click submit. Alright, then click continue and it will go through, and give it like 15 to 30 minutes to appear in here. You'll get a notification that your assets have arrived. Alright, go to assets overview and your assets will appear on here. Alright, and depending on what account you have chosen on the deposit process, if it's the main account, you just go to here, and you want to use it on the trading account, just go to transfer and choose the direction. For example, it's on the main account, click here the main account and the trading account and choose the coin that you have in here, and just click on the amount that you want and confirm, and it will get transferred from this account to this one instantly and with 0 fees. Alright, super simple, and that's it. I hope this video explains everything, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.